Why do antipsychotics cause weight gain? My name is Dr. Ruth Dutton. I'm a board certified adult psychiatrist, and I talk a lot on this app about the importance of providing full informed consent when starting a psychiatric medication, as well as safety prescribing when clinically appropriate. And one of the questions that I've gotten is, why do antipsychotics cause weight gain? And the short answer is that it basically has to do with all of the different types of neurotransmitter receptors that they can act on, things like serotonin and histamine, because these can play a role on things like appetite, hunger, activity level, etc. So for example, its activity on certain histamine and serotonergic activities are going to increase appetite, hunger, and cravings. Antipsychotics can also interfere with leptin metabolism, which is a hormone that is important for satiety, as most people are aware now, because the GLP-1 inhibitors are going to greatly increase the sense of satiety. Some of the antipsychotics can also affect metabolism, causing insulin resistance, and insulin resistance is a growth state, and it typically leads to weight gain. Additionally, antipsychotics may cause things like drowsiness, fatigue, or even some cognitive issues that may make it less likely that a person is able to exercise regularly or carefully meal plan. And their effect on dopamine in the pancreas can actually disrupt glucose regulation and help contribute to diabetes and weight gain. Not all antipsychotics are equal because they're going to have different ways that they interact with the different receptors. Some like Abilify or Geodon or Latuda are going to be slightly less likely to cause these things, whereas things like Seroquel, olanzapine, and Clozaril are more likely. But all of the atypical antipsychotics are going to have this potential risk, and so it's important that patients are aware of that when starting one of these types of medications. If you have any questions about this, then feel free to put in the comments below. I'm also putting together an email list for those of you who are interested in my content, because I may have future courses or offerings that I want to be able to communicate directly with you all about those things. So if that's you, send me a DM with your email, and I'll see you in the next one.